Hello students, welcome to the lecture series of microwave and radar. So in this lecture we will see what is a gyrator. This is also one more passive components. What is function of gyrators and what is the use of gyrator in microwave frequency signals. Okay, so the gyrator is a two-port device which has port 1 and port 2 with a pi radians of the phase shift is there, that is a 180-degree phase shift. Okay, so just like a isolator and circulator, the gyrator is also a passive linear lossless two-port electrical network. So it is a passive, means it will be turned on with some sort of input signal. Lossless means there is no loss. Then two port, so it has a two port 1 and port 2. So you have to use port 1 as an input, port 2 as output. Similarly, port 2 as a input and port 1 as a input. Okay, so here it is a linear element. After the resistor, capacitor and inductor, an ideal transformer is there. Gyrator is a non-reciprocal elements. So gyrator basically used to permit network realization of two or more port devices which cannot be realized with just conventional four elements. Here it is a lossless linear two port passive device is there which will give a phase shift of how many degree, 180 degrees there. For example, this is a signal I have to apply for the input. Okay, so which it is a 0, 180 and 360 degrees there. Okay, so apply it here, we will get the signal like this one. Sorry, the signal will get like this with a 180 degree phase shift, means signal will come like this one. So the signal will actually start from here 0 to 180. So here it is 0 degree for the output. So the phase shift of 180 degrees there from one port to another port is there. So this in the gyrator is there. This is the block diagram. Again, in gyrator we have to use the what will say some transformer is there. Sorry, transistor and op amp using a feedbacks. Similarly, it will be makes capacitor circuit behaves inductively like series LC circuit behaves like a parallel LC circuit and so on. It will be actually used in active filter design and also work for the phase shift of a 180 degree. In definition already I will explain, it is a passive lossless two port linear device is there. It is a non-reciprocal ferrite two-port device. Basically, it is also non-reciprocal. Ferrite device means it has it consists of a ferrite, which will be work on the Faraday's law of rotating principle with a phase shift of 180 degree in forward direction and phase shift of 0 degree in reverse directions. Means for port 1, if you are giving this signal, for port 2 we will get 180 degree. In reverse direction, if we have to apply this signal from 0 to 360, here we have 180. Okay, so in reverse direction the signal will come as it is with the phase shift of 0 degree. Okay, then it is also the name from the gyroscope. The gyrator is related to gyroscope by analogy in its behavior. So this is a symbol for gyrator is there with a pi radians, means pi is a 180 degree phase shift is there. Again, constructions gyrator consists of circular to rectangular waveguide transition both at dominant mode. Means it consists of conversion from circular to rectangular and vice versa. A twin circular ferrite rod tapered at both ends is located inside the circular waveguides surrounded by permanent magnet which generate the DC magnetic field for the operations. Okay, so the rectangular waveguide is there, which will give the phase shift of 90 degree connected to input, and also reduces some sort of losses, attenuation, and provides smooth attenuation of polarized wave. Means if any polar attenuation is there inside the characters, so that should be removed by using a, what will say, the register tap is there from the one side of ports. Okay, so signal, again I will explain, the signal transmitted from port 1 to port 2, which will give the phase shift of 180 degree, while that of the signal come from port 2 to port 1, which will give the phase shift of 0 degrees there. Okay, then what is the use of gyrator? Basically gyrator is used to invert the current voltage characteristic of electrical components. Similarly, it can be simulated as inductor. It can be simulated as an inductor. It can be simulated as an inductor. Again, in applications, basically it will be used in the IC technology with a phase shift of 180 degree. In applications of gyrators, it is used in IC technology. It will be used as an inductor. Similarly, it is used to reduce the size and cost of a system by removing the need of bulky, heavy, and expensive inductors. So already we must know it will be work as an inductor, and if you see the size of inductor, like transformer is there, it is larger, heavier, and bulkier one. So that inductor will be replaced by a gyrators. It is extensively used in telephony device. It is used in telephony device. It is also used in most data access arrangement. It is also used in a most data access arrangement. It is widely used in hi-fi for graphic equalizer. Then parametric equalizer, discrete band stop and band pass filters, as number of filters, and FM pilot tone filters. Means, for example, it is also used as a filter in graphic equalizer. For example, this is the frequency response of band pass filters. So it will pass these two range of frequencies there. So this is a bandwidth. Similarly, if you want to draw the frequency response of band stop filter, it will pass this range of frequency, while band stop filter, it will stop this range of frequency. This is bandwidth. It is frequency versus voltage. Frequency versus the voltage axis. Just remember, it is F1, F2, F1, F2. So in filter we have the LC components. Already we have studied in circuit and network. That is a band pass filter, band stop filter, low pass filter, high pass filters, M derived filters. Okay. So where we have the LC component, that inductor will be replaced by a gyrators. So basically gyrator, the function of gyrator is what? The replacement of inductor is there, and it is will give the phase shift of 180 degree. So today's lecture we will see what is a gyrator, definition of gyrator, function of gyrators, use of gyrators, phase shift of gyrators, similarly operations, constructions, and last one is applications. Okay, so gyrator, again I will explain it. It is a lossless, linear, non-reciprocal passive device is there, which will be alternately replaced by inductors. Okay, and it will give the phase shift of 180 degree from port 1 to port 2, will give the phase shift of 0 degree from port 2 to port 1. Okay, So I will also upload the that notes on the Google Classroom, so student will go for this. Okay, thank you.